In today's workplaces, whether remote, hybrid, or in person, showing employees appreciation is more than just a nice gesture. It's a key driver of engagement, retention, and overall team morale. That's where platforms like Gusto comes in. Designed to make recognition simple, fast, and meaningful, Gusto helps companies build cultures of appreciation by allowing managers and peers to send real rewards with a personal touch. Unlike traditional gift card programs or clunky HR recognition tools, Gusto is flexible, easy to use, and centered around impact. It gives businesses the ability to recognize employees in real time, tie recognition back to company values, and offer rewards that employees can actually use. Whether you're part of a small team or a large enterprise, Gusto offers a scalable solution for celebrating the wins, big or small, that keep your company moving forward. This video will walk you through what Gusto is, how it works, and how both team members and HR professionals can start using it effectively. So before we get started, let us have an overview of what Gusto is. Gusto is a digital employee recognition platform that allows teams to send rewards to each other instantly. No physical cards or point system involved. It's designed to be simple and inclusive. When someone receives a Gusto gift, they can choose where to redeem it from a wide network of merchants, ensuring they get something that actually matters to them. The platform supports manager to employee and peer to peer recognition, making it versatile for different recognition programs. You can send a reward for a job well done, for living out a company value, or even just for being a helpful teammate. Each reward comes with a personalized message, and everything can be tracked for visibility across teams. One of Gusto's standout features is its budget-friendly design. So unlike point-based platforms that require large upfront costs, Gusto operates on a pay-as-you-go model. You only pay for what is actually redeemed, which means there's no waste and no leftover points that expire. So now let's head over creating an account. So in gusto.com, there's a button here that says sign up free, so you can sign up for free. So simply click on sign up free and sign up for an account. After signing up for an account, you will now be redirected to your dashboard that looks like this. So as you can see, this is how your dashboard will look like. So you will see right here, you can start sending recognitions, you can start sending gifts. From here, you will see people to recognize, upcoming celebrations, and top 3 gift reasons. So we have the send gifts section. So as you can see right here, we can send a gift. So we'll need to add a payment method first to have our funds in Gusto. So from here, this is the order details. So you can select any merchant from here. So there's a bunch of different merchants right here. Now we can select the number of gifts, the gift value, the currency, the reason. So as you can see, you can select passion, whether your employee has the year leadership. That's why you're going to send them gifts. Above and beyond, innovation, and other. You can also add a little message right here. And of course, they have the AI assistant to help you compose a message. You can also add emojis, images or videos, GIFs, and files. So we have the optional settings right here. Also, you can see your sender's name, the claim period, and this is how the email will look like. So as you can see, this is how it will look like. Next is the reports. So from here, you will see all of your gift reports. So your spending summary will be here, your amount spent, your amount claimed, unclaimed, the cancel slash expired, and of course your total. You can also see your order history. So you'll see all of it right here, your expenses, your taxable benefits, and your gift reasons. Next, we have the manager insight. So you will see direct reports right here. So we don't have that data yet. Next, we have our account funds. So as you can see, you can fund your account. So request more funds or higher limit from your workspace admin. And of course, you can redeem your gifts right here if someone has sent you. Next, this is our workspace. So basically, you can manage your workspace. So we have three workspaces. You can go to this workspace. You can create a new workspace. So let's say manage members. From here, you can add all of your employees or your teammates. So simply click on add a member. So you'll need to upgrade your plan to do that. So simply add in their emails and they will be added to this workspace right here. Next is manage funds. From here, you can fund your account via email transfer, bank transfer, wire transfer, and credit card. So you'll need to see the rules right here. You can only do this for a minimum of $500. For a credit card, there is a tax. Next, we have manage gifting section. So from here, you will see the overview of your giftings. So basically, this is what we talked about earlier and our shout outs. So your team is not granted you access to this option. This is basically because we only have the free version of Guusto. Next, we have the custom reports. So you will see custom reports right here. Of course, you can create your report also. So again, you can do this by upgrading your plan. And of course, the settings of your workspace. So from here, you can change the image, the workspace name, the gift currency, and the gift messages. You also have our branding, the dashboard. We have all of our settings for our workspace right here. So basically how it works is you'll just need to add your team to your workspace and from there you can send them recognitions and gifts. So that is how Gusto works. So basically just feel free to explore more about how Gusto works, its features, and you'll get done in no time. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.